As young people, we have the whole world ahead of us, full of possibilities and opportunities. But sometimes, without even realizing it, we make mistakes that can impact us later in life. In this video, we'll be discussing 10 common mistakes that many young people make and regret later in life. So, let's get started. 1. Not saving enough money. One of the biggest mistakes that young people make is not saving enough money. It's easy to get caught up in the moment and spend money on things like clothes, gadgets, and dining out, but these purchases often come with a high price tag. Neglecting to save money can lead to financial struggles in the future. Many young people often don't think about the future and only focus on the present, but it's important to have a savings plan in place. Start by setting aside a portion of your income each month for savings and make sure you're living within your means. This will help you build a financial cushion for the future and prepare for unexpected expenses. 2. Not investing in education. Education is one of the most valuable investments you can make in yourself. But it's not just about obtaining a degree, it's about continuously learning and growing. Neglecting to invest in education can limit your career opportunities and earning potential. Education is not just about getting good grades and getting a degree, it's about broadening your knowledge and skills. Take advantage of opportunities to learn and grow, whether it's through taking courses, reading books, or attending seminars. Make sure to choose educational opportunities that align with your career goals and personal interests. This will make the process of learning more enjoyable and valuable. 3. Procrastination. Procrastination can be a major problem for young people, leading to missed opportunities and missed deadlines. It's easy to put off tasks until the last minute, but this can lead to stress and subpar performance. Procrastination is often rooted in fear of failure, lack of motivation, or lack of organization. To overcome this, try breaking down big tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Create a schedule and stick to it. This will help you stay focused and avoid getting overwhelmed. Make sure to prioritize tasks based on importance and deadline. This will help you prioritize and make the most of your time. Instead of putting things off, get into the habit of taking action and getting things done in a timely manner. 4. Not setting clear goals. Another mistake that young people make is not setting clear goals for their future. Without goals, it's easy to get lost and end up in a job or lifestyle that you don't enjoy. Goal setting is an important aspect of personal and professional development. It gives you direction and purpose. Take the time to think about what you want to achieve in life, and then set achievable, specific, and measurable goals. Write down your goals and review them regularly. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Make sure your goals align with your values and priorities. This will help you achieve what truly matters to you. 5. Not prioritizing health. One of the biggest mistakes young people make is neglecting their health. It's easy to prioritize work and play over exercise and healthy eating habits. But this can lead to serious health problems down the road. Your health should be your top priority. It affects every aspect of your life, including your energy levels, mood, and overall well-being. Make sure to exercise regularly, eat a well-balanced diet, and get enough sleep. This will help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce stress, and lower your risk of chronic diseases. It's also important to visit your doctor regularly for checkups and screenings. This will help you catch and treat any health problems early. 6. Not being responsible with credit. Another mistake that young people make is not being responsible with credit. It's easy to sign up for credit cards and loans without fully understanding the consequences. But this can lead to a mountain of debt and a damaged credit score. Credit is an important tool for building wealth, but it should be used responsibly. Make sure to understand the terms and conditions of any credit product you sign up for, including the interest rate and fees. Pay your bills on time. This will help you maintain a good credit score and lower your risk of debt. Try to use credit wisely, only charging what you can afford to pay off in full each month. 7. Not seeking professional help. Another common mistake young people make is not seeking professional help when needed. Whether it's financial, legal, or mental health issues, neglecting to seek help can lead to serious consequences. It's important to understand that you don't have to face challenges alone. Seeking professional help can be a huge asset in resolving your problems and improving your life. Whether it's a financial advisor, a therapist, or a lawyer, make sure to find a professional who is qualified and experienced in their field. Don't be afraid to ask for help. This can make a big difference in overcoming obstacles and achieving your goals. 8. Not being mindful of online presence. Another mistake that young people make is not being mindful of their online presence. Social media and other online platforms can be great tools for connecting with others, but they can also lead to privacy issues and other problems. Your online presence is a reflection of who you are. It can impact your personal and professional life. Make sure to be mindful of the information you share online, including photos and personal details. Be careful with what you post. This can come back to haunt you later in life. Consider your online presence as a public space and make sure you're presenting yourself in the best light possible. 9. Not maintaining relationships. Another common mistake young people make is neglecting their relationships. Whether it's with friends, family, or romantic partners, it's important to nurture your relationships and maintain meaningful connections. Relationships are an important aspect of life. They provide support, love, and a sense of belonging. Make time for your friends and family. This will help you maintain strong bonds and positive relationships. Be a good listener and show empathy. This will help you connect with others on a deeper level. Be open and honest with your loved ones. This will help you build trust and avoid misunderstandings. 10. Not saving for the future. Finally, one of the biggest mistakes young people make is not saving for the future. It can be tempting to focus on immediate wants and needs, but neglecting to save for the future can lead to financial instability and stress. Saving for the future should be a top priority. It will help you achieve your financial goals and secure your future. Start small and make saving a habit. This will help you build an emergency fund and save for big expenses. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This will help you save without thinking about it. Make sure to plan for your future. This will help you achieve your financial dreams and live the life you want. In conclusion, these are just some of the common mistakes that young people make and regret later in life. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll be able to live a more fulfilling and enjoyable life. Remember to prioritize your health, be responsible with credit, seek professional help, be mindful of your online presence, maintain your relationships, and save for the future. You got this.